Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a PDF file from images on your laptop step by step. So, let's get started. First, open this PC and go to the Pictures folder from the left sidebar. Now select the images that you want to convert into a PDF file. After selecting the images, right-click on them and choose the Print option from the menu. A new window will appear on your screen. In the Printer section, select Print to PDF. Next, choose your preferred image layout. You can select full-page photo or any other format you like. Now uncheck the Fit Picture to Frame option if it is enabled. After that, click on the Print button. A Save As window will appear. Choose the folder where you want to save the PDF file, enter a name for your PDF, and click Save. The PDF file will now be created successfully. You can go to the location where you saved it, open the PDF, and see that all your selected images have been converted into a single PDF file. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.